Endocrine system in human body. Number A, exocrine glands. Glands which have ducts are called exocrine glands. Secretion of enzymes pass through it. Example, digestive glands, sweat gland, mucous gland, and salivary gland, etc. Endocrine gland. These are ductless glands. Hormones are secreted by these glands. Hormones are sent to the different parts of the body through blood plasma. Example, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, etc. Functions and effects of the male endocrine system of the human body and hormones secreted by them. Number 1, pituitary gland. It is situated in a depression of the sphenoid bone of forehead. This is called sella tunica. Its weight is approximately 0.6 grams. This is also known as master gland. Pituitary gland is controlled by hypothalamus. The functions of the hormones secreted by pituitary gland. Number 1, Fsh hormone, that is somatotropic hormone. It controls the growth of the body, especially the growth of bones, by the excessiveness of gigantism and acromegaly are caused, in which height of the human grows abnormally. Lack of Fsh causes dwarfism in human. Number 2, TSH hormone, that is thyroid stimulating hormone. It stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete hormone. Number 3, ACTH hormone, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone. It controls the secretion of adrenal cortex. Number 4, DTH hormone, that growth hormone. It controls the functions of gonads. This is of two types. FSH hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. In male, it stimulates spermatogenesis in the seminiferous tubulus of the testes. In female, it stimulates the Galapagos follicles of the ovary to secrete the hormone estrogen. LH hormone, luteinizing hormone, in terrestrial cells stimulating hormone secretion of testosterone hormone takes place in male, and in case of female, estrogen hormone secreted. LTH hormone, lactogenic hormone. Its main function is to stimulate secretion of milk in breast for infants. ADH hormone, antidiuretic hormone. It causes increase in blood pressure. It is helpful in maintaining the water balance in the body and reduce the volume of urine. Number 2, thyroid gland. This is situated below the larynx on both sides of respiratory trachea and throat of human. The hormones secreted by it are thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Functions of thyroxine. Number 1, it increases the speed of cellular respiration. Number 2, it is necessary for the normal growth of the body, particularly for the development of bones, hair, etc. Number 3, the normal functions of reproductive organs depend on the activeness of thyroid gland. Number 4, it controls the water balance of the body in coordination with the hormones of pituitary gland. Diseases caused by the deficiency of thyroxine. Number 1, cretinism. This disease affects the children, the mental and physical retardance of the child. Myxedema. In this disease, which normally attacks during youth, the metabolism does not take place properly, which causes reduction in heartbeat and blood pressure. Hypothyroidism. This disease is caused due to chronic deficiency of thyroxine hormone. Due to this disease, the normal reproduction is not possible. Sometimes due to its deficiency, human becomes dumb and deaf. Goiter. This disease is caused by the deficiency of iodine in food. In this disease, the shape of the thyroid gland enlarges abnormally. Diseases caused by the excessiveness of thyroxine. Ophthalmic goiter. In this disease, eyes get bulging out of the eye socket with increased metabolic rate. Parathyroid gland. This is situated in the right back of the thyroid gland of the throat. Two hormones are secreted by it. Parathyroid hormone. This hormone is secreted when there is a deficiency of calcium in the blood. Number B, calcitonin. This hormone is released when there is excess of calcium in the blood is present. Hence, hormone secreted by parathyroid gland controls the quantity of calcium of blood. Adrenal gland. There are two parts of this gland. Number A, outer part in cortex, and number B, inner part in medulla. Hormones secreted by cortex and their function. Number 1, glucocorticoid. This controls the metabolism of carbohydrate, protein and fat. Mineralocorticoid. Its main function is reabsorption of iron by kidney ducts and to control the quantity of other in the body. Number 3, sex hormone. It controls the sexual behavior and secondary sexual characters. Number 1, cortex is essential for life. If this is extracted completely from the body, human will remain alive only for a week or 2. Number 2, in case of deformation of cortex, the process of metabolism gets disturbed. This disease is called Addison's disease. Hormones secreted by medulla and their function. Epinephrine. This is an amino acid. Norepinephrine. This is also an amino acid. The work of both the hormones is similar. These equally increase the relaxation and contraction of heart muscles. As a result, blood pressure increases and decreases. In case of sudden stop of heartbeat, epinephrine is helpful in restarting the heartbeat. The hormone secreted by adrenal gland is called fight-flight hormones. Number 5, gonads. Number 1, ovary. The following hormones are secreted by this. Number A, estrogen. It completes the development of reproductive organs. Number B, progesterone. It stimulates the thickening of uterus lining during ovarian cycle. Relaxin during pregnancy it is found in uterus and placenta. This hormone smoothens the pelvic symphysis and it widens the uterine cervix so that a child is delivered easily. Number 2, testes. The hormone secreted by it is called testosterone. It motivates the sexual behavior and growth of secondary sexual characters.